Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to show you how to paint whimsical flowers. So let's get started. I have drawn these whimsical flowers. So let's start doing coloring. I am going to paint them with the help of painting colors. Just take up some pink color and start coloring the center. Color the center part. Okay, now I take a light orange color and do the coloring. Okay, so let it dry out, then we will do some extra work over it. We will paint all the flowers in the same way. Okay, so I have painted all the flowers now. Let's color up the birds by taking a pinch of pink. Just we have to take a very small or little amount of color and more of the water. Okay, now just color up the leaves. Again take up some green color, so that very little amount of color, and just color them up. So mesmerizing to look at that painting, and it's so satisfying. Releases your stress, lifts up your mood instantly. You know, I love to do the art, especially watercolors. It's my favorite hobby. Which is your favorite hobby? You can comment me in the comment box. very easy process and also very satisfying. Okay, so only two leaves are left. Now we will give some effect to our flowers. Take up some orange color and do it like this. Isn't it so easy? Wow, look how it changes the whole look of flower. Just make it more highlighted and beautiful. In the same way, we will do all the flowers. Okay, now we will do the leaves in the same way. We'll take up some yellow color and do the shading in leaves. Okay, now make the stems. Okay, so our watercolor painting is complete. Now I'm going to use that fine tip pen to do the outline. It will make the drawing, whimsical art flowers drawing more beautiful. Just make it, and you can also learn how to draw these by by looking at this step. So friends, our whimsical flower painting and drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.